Runway has added a new update for generative video tools recently. If you select Gen-3 Alpha Turbo and upload an image or video, you have access to a new update called Camera Control. Unfortunately, this option is not active for Gen-3 Alpha, which believed to produce higher video quality. You can control your scene by horizontal, pan, vertical, tilt, zoom, and roll options. I'm going to share with you my experience, generated videos, when I used the options to produce this animation recently. So, you don't need to experiment yourself by wasting a lot of money without camera control. Strangely, the birds are moving backwards. The swan is flying in a snowy weather. Look at this deformation. And look at this one. And this one. The consistency is gone. Even with Gen-3 Alpha, you might get like this, a swan without head. With camera control, pan camera control around 7. AI really understands camera move and also keeps characters consistency, but an extra bird and a little orange stuff is coming. Horizontal camera control around 7. Excellent consistent characters, but again, an extra bird. Another try with the same control. And I had my best results with zoom control. My conclusions. With camera control, most likely the character's identity will be preserved. However, still you need to write good prompt to control, not to have extra characters. Hopefully, Runway soon will add this option to the Gen Alpha model. You can find the link of my animation in the description as well.
If you found this video useful, please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget like or comment.